How to customize the website styles in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access the website styles and customize them to your likings. So the process is going to be very simple and very easy. You're going to head over hostinger.com, then you are going to sign in for an account within the platform. Now what are we going to do basically is to head over here the left side of the screen, select the websites, click on websites list, and make sure that you are going to see the websites in here. So if you have the websites created, you need only to choose the ones that has the logo of the Hostinger website builder. Select the website by clicking on edit website, and then we are going to wait for the website to load up. I mean by that, the website editor, not the website. So here, as you can see, we have the website with its different components like the blogs, the products, and etc. Now, how we can modify the website styles? It is going to be crucial to visualize the left side of the screen or the left side bar, and we're going to see some of the components like adding the elements, navigating or managing the page's navigations, website styles, and etc. Now we're going to click on the A with the coloring, as you can see, board. So we can go ahead and modify the website styles by commencing or beginning with modifying the colors. As you can see, the colors is going to be, or the colors are going to be in here changed all in one. So if you want to change, for example, one thing at a time, for example, or one element color, you need to select it instead of heading over the website styles because it is not going to be that precise. It is going to change all of the type of the colors. This is going to be something helpful for those who are going to change the whole appearance of the website and not only a item. So here we have the colors. We have the fonts that we can change or manage. These are going to be the default fonts that you're going to put for each one of the elements of text that you're going to insert. Basically, if you're going to head over the add element, insert a text like that, it is going to have that font that is predefined in here. So which is going to be popping. You can edit that text styles, for example, for the headings, the paragraphs and navigation, and then you can go ahead and set up the size, the weight, and also the line height. Now, speaking of the fonts, you can go ahead and select any type of font that you can find in here, and then you're going to have it set as default. Now, for the buttons, you're going to see that we have three type of buttons. We have the rounded corners buttons. We have the primary and the secondary one, which is going to be reversed the colors. As you can see, we have the second type of the button, which is going to be a little bit here less sharper colors or less rounder corners. And finally, we have the sharper, as you can see, rectangles. So you can go ahead and change the type of the buttons and you are going to see them right there changed, for example, like that. And for the animations, you can set up the animation for each or for all the websites, and you're going to put here the elements showing up just like that for a slide, for a scale, and etc. This is going to be generalized for all the elements that we have inserted, not the sections, but the elements only. Or you can go ahead and delete the navigation. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.